Hey everybody, Sean Smithson here with Smithson Creations and the other part of the business and face the name, and this is
Tim Granger. Hi everyone.
And it's about time, or past due, that he's been introduced, and this is the perfect video to do it. This was the mallet build that we went to the Kings FIne Woodworking shop, and we were originally going there to make a juice groove jig, and James was nice enough to give me his juice groove jig that he built and said, instead of building that, why don't I give you mine and you guys make some mallets for the first time. And I have never touched a lathe or done any lathe work whatsoever. So super great experience, and Maya is a excellent teacher, and you've done it in high school, correct?
Yeah, about 25 years ago or so.
You're old. But his mallet is
Bloodwood and tiger maple.
and he did an excellent job on it.
But I'm saying so myself.
And mine is all Paduke, and it's just turned out excellent. Maya's a great teacher, and we both wanted to thank the King family, James, Maya, and Rupa. Rupa helped out with the camera, and we had lunch there too, and she cooked. She helped out with the camera because otherwise a lot of the footage wouldn't have been seen because I didn't set the camera up correctly. And she just came in, swooped in, and fixed it for me. So thank you, Rupa, for that. And James, thank you for letting us come over. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, and Maya, I must say, was a patient teacher. She told us that these took about, 10-15 minutes for her to make from start to finish. And she spent about 45 minutes on each of us, so that was appreciated.
And it's super cool, and I understand why people love working on a lathe now. I want you guys to, and that being said, I want you guys to check out, or be sure to check out kingsfinewoodworking.com, their personal page where they sell these mallets that they make. They sell plans and t-shirts and products that they make, and they make excellent stuff. They go beyond fine woodworking. Their stuff is excellent, and they don't skip on steps or anything. And also check out Kings FIne Woodworking community on Facebook. It's a great community, and it's we're almost 10,000 members, I believe. So it's a great place to learn, show off your work, and we'd love to have you. And anything else you want to say?
No, just thank you for liking and subscribing to our YouTube page and our Facebook page, or YouTube channel, sorry, and
I do the same
Facebook
thing.
page. So yeah, it's much appreciated.
Yeah, and that being said, as well, I appreciate all your guys' support on YouTube and everything, and helping me meet my goals with subscribers and everything. Hoping to get 400 by the end of the year. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, share, and we'd really appreciate it. And again, Sean with Smithson Creations.
Tim Granger with Smithson Creations.
And we appreciate your support, and we will see you all in the next video.
pretty uniformly round over here, so that's nice. So next is measurements.
Okay.
Tape measures on the lathe and pencils behind you.
And you said 2.5?
Mm-hmm. For the 15-inch ones, I did 2 1/4. So
And then 12, right?
12 1/2.
12. That's okay, JP can edit.
Oh, okay.
He can skip around the sounds. That's what we do too.
If he's still
We
edit.
just act like just about normal and just edit around our talking. Sanding time.
Best part.
Actually looks pretty good.
Yep, it sure does.
Rookie.
Or rookie?
Yeah, I know, looks good.
So here, we'll get you started with 80 grit. So when you're sanding it, you want to kind of hold it like this
Okay.
and just go back and forth to kind of smooth it all out.
Okay.
Ready?
All right.
just like that. Anytime. Take one. Just like that.
Nice.
You kind of,